Okay.
Still above 160.
We're about to have a baby. We are ready. Matt is positioned to catch the baby. Baby's coming, guys. I'm waking all of you up immediately. The baby's nobody's sleeping because we've not slept all night. So you guys are waking up. I'm gonna wake all of you up, even in Nigeria. Everybody's getting up right now. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Coming back.
I didn't do a special reveal last time. No, if I'm gonna do a special reveal this time, I'm waiting for him to come back. I'm gonna do it later today. Whew! Oh my gosh.
Couldn't.
Put me at.
Let me get there.
Bam.
You pregnant
Right now.
Oh my God.
Right now. One already knew, because I took it over before when you were out the store. One already knows.
Give me a hug.
But I had a feeling.
You said that.
I had a feeling the other day.
Did you smell something nice?
I smelled something
Which
else.
one?
We're here for our first ultrasound.
Good to see your baby.
Yeah, it's really cold in here though. I want a McDonald's sandwich. But
Uncomfortable.
yeah,
Not that I matter.
yeah, dad lives matter too. Look at that. Does that look like a normal baby? I thought the eyes looked kind of scary.
The baby moved during the ultrasound.
And I was like, ah! When the baby moved, I was so scared. I don't know why.
Yeah, it like wiggled its whole body. It was like,
Yeah, so we went for the ultrasound. I thought we'd be able to record in the place, but they said we couldn't, so whatever. But we got the 3 pictures. I feel like it looks like a gummy bear. You know, with the eye sockets. Hopefully that eyes go in there. But that's kind of scary. But I mean, yeah, I guess it's real. There's really a baby in there. Hanging out. Taking all my nutrients and energy.
making you feel sick and nauseous.
Making me vomit. And sleep all the time. My stomach hurt, but it's in there. We're saying it, because we don't know the gender. And I don't want to know the gender.
They in there.
Yeah, until birth. We'll see how far that goes, but we're on the way just to visit the doc now. First we're going to McDonald's, which I don't even usually eat McDonald's, but I'm craving that sausage sandwich, the egg mix sandwich, so okay.
Egg mix sandwich.
Is that what it's called?
Egg McMuffin?
Egg McMuffin?
You want the muffin?
It's called the egg mix sandwich. Okay. Anything else? Okay, bye!
They had attempts at building the crater in under 1 hour before it finally gets home. Wish me luck. Nice and stop. It's done. we just gotta get a mattress. And we need a baby still, too.
How do you feel?
Nervous and excited. And, you know? That's about all I can say. Feel a lot of emotions.
Do I look swollen?
A little bit, not terribly.
I think I look swollen. My lips definitely feel dry. This room was
Dry.
real dry. All this, we were being pampered at home with the humidifier and come here to this dry room. But I think the 29th of November, 2023. It's been a lot of things happened very quickly, basically. We had our original due date was December 22nd, right? That would have been week 40. And then everything changed last week, Tuesday. Basically, we had been scheduled for every other week doctor's appointments, but our doctor was out the Thanksgiving week, which was the last week. So I decided to just go into a local pharmacy at the Cub Foods and check my blood pressure, because I was aware that blood pressure is kind of like something to be aware of the closer you get to being full term, due to the risk of high blood pressure and preeclampsia and things like that. So I went in, checked it, it was super high. And so I just wasn't sure if that meant that it was like, if it was accurate because the kiosk versus being in the hospital setting. But everyone's like, just go in anyways. So we went in to the actual clinic where we're delivering, and they did some triage stuff there. Ended up keeping us overnight because of the high blood pressures, just to monitor. Blood pressures were still kind of high, but they came down about on their own at the end of the night. They started talking real fast about, oh, you might have to deliver here. At that point, we were not 36 weeks yet. We were 35 weeks and some days. So they were talking about, oh, we might have to, deliver soon, this and that. So we were like, that's crazy. Like, it's crazy. Like, we're still thinking that we're probably going to get to 40 weeks at this point. But that was the first time they started talking about delivering earlier. We got the steroid shots just to get them prepared for the fact that we might have to deliver the baby earlier than we anticipated. And then we came back for a regular appointment on Monday, and that's when the doctor told us that, no, yeah, you're definitely going to have to deliver earlier than you expected because of the signs and all these other tests they ran in terms of protein in the urine and this and that. She's like, yeah, this definitely feels like something that is preeclampsia. Your body is so stressed that the blood pressure is so high that it becomes dangerous. All these other potential risk factors to your body from having just really high blood pressure. And the only way to get rid of it is to actually deliver the baby. That's the only way that it's going to stop, is the baby's delivered, the placenta's out, and your body can then recover. Monday, she told us basically, no, you're definitely going to have to deliver early. Like, you're not going to 40 weeks. I think at that point, leaving the office, we had decided on December 7th.
We just wanted time for you to try to get ready to self-induce on its own.
Yeah, because we have a doula, so we've been working with a doula. So we thought, okay, if we make it past 37 weeks, today is Wednesday, so Friday of this week will be 37 weeks. If we make it to 37 weeks, then we have a little bit more time. December 7th would put us at a little bit before 38 weeks, like in between 38.
Yeah.
Or something like that. So we had left a clinic, or we left the doctor's office on Monday afternoon, right? And then we had gone to the pharmacy to pick up the blood pressure medication that they prescribed me. And then while we're on the drive, we get the lab results back, and the lab results indicated that, oh, there's definitely protein in the urine and all these other things. And she's like, you don't have until the 7th anymore. I now recommend that you move up your induction to the 1st of December, which is exactly 37 weeks, which would be this Friday, right? So like, okay, what else can we do? I think we're at this point, we're like going with the recommendation, because it's like, to be on the safe side, and all these things you hear about preeclampsia, you just don't want to risk it. So we moved up from the 7th to the 1st, and that was the plan. And then we woke up on Tuesday, and then I went to the day on Tuesday, which was yesterday. Then we tested at home with our at-home blood pressure cuff thing, and my blood pressure was still high. It was like in the 150s, 150s, 160s, which is high, right? Over 95 to 100 and something. So it's just high. And then I was having maybe headache. I wasn't quite sure if it was a headache because of the blood pressure medication. I was having swelling in the feet. So just these other symptoms, you know? And again, with preeclampsia, you just don't know. And it's like you don't want to wait until it gets to a point where it becomes an emergency, basically. We decided, well, we're just going to go in. So I showered, we packed, because we weren't prepared the first time we went in. And they kept us overnight, so like never again. So we packed everything. We packed all the baby stuff. We packed food. I packed jollof rice. I packed a soup. I packed everything. We packed granola bar. We packed Gatorade. We packed everything because like we might not come home, which luckily it worked to our favor because we got here last night. They kept us for an hour. Say, oh, one more hour. Eventually, 1 hour turned into we're just keeping you overnight, and then overnight ended up turning into we're gonna induce you today, basically, as in Wednesday. We woke up today, Wednesday. They're like, we're gonna actually just induce you on Wednesday because, like, with my blood pressure staying high all through yesterday, they gave me more blood pressure medication, and like it came down in the night, but then they checked it again this morning. It was back up to 150s. So they're battling that blood pressure, and it doesn't get better. It's going to keep going until the baby in placenta is out. And there's no need to laying it and getting your body more stress. So basically, they're like, we're gonna induce you today, this Wednesday afternoon or evening. So it's about. I'm
gonna steal the focus.
Well, that's okay. You can be in the video.
No, but you're not focusing on me instead of you.
Oh, you mean the actual focus?
Yeah, it's because my bright white face takes all the attention.
It's almost 9 a.m. So we're just waiting for breakfast, and then they're gonna take us to ultrasound just to make sure that everything is good with the baby. The baby's been fine so far. They monitor every time they monitor the baby, everything's been good. But we're still like a couple days shy of 37. So there's all these other complications that come with how they monitor the baby if they're gonna deliver before 37 weeks.
At the earliest, the baby will be born maybe 2 days before 37 weeks, probably 1 day before 37 weeks. So we're right there.
At this point, I'm just like.
I think your body's ready to move it along quickly though because of preeclampsia. So. Yeah,
they're saying my body wants to be done with this, so it's gonna, evict baby. And as soon as it gets a little help, it's just gonna say, okay, baby's coming out.
Yeah.
So yeah,
you're ready, baby. We'll see you soon.
I told you, I was like saying it, I was like, baby, you're good, right? You gotta come out. This is it. I didn't even want to go to 40 weeks, but then like when the reality set in, I'm like, oh, I wish I hadn't said that. So I mean, that's the update. We're just chilling, and I think things are good. We're not in an emergency situation. We're just kind of everything right now is preemptive. It's precautionary. I feel fine. Like I have a headache, but other than that, I pee a lot and my lips are chapped. And I feel super heavy, but I don't feel like anything life-threatening right now, which is positive. I took off my wig. I was so concerned about what I was gonna do with my hair. My wig in the bathtub over there. And now the least of my worries is what I'm gonna do with my hair at this point. But by this time next week, we'll be at home.
We'll be parents with our baby.
Isn't that wild?
I mean, absolutely.
We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I brought some cute clothes though. All right, well, we'll update you later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Okay,
Still above 160.
we're about to have a baby. The atmosphere is charged. We are ready. Matt is positioned to catch the baby. The mom smiled for once, for a while now. She hasn't smiled, but she did smile a little bit now. Baby's coming, guys. I'm waking all of you up immediately. The baby's, nobody's sleeping because we've not slept all night. So you guys are waking up. I'm gonna wake all of you up, even in Nigeria. Everybody's getting up right now. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Coming back.
Out. Deep breath. Grab through your legs. Back. Okay. Here, we need jokes. Yep, we're gonna stop pushing. We're gonna get the doctor. Your baby's hooked right there. So this baby's coming quick.
The baby's head, you see the head?
Yep, we see the head.
Oh my God, this is fast.
Okay, I'm gonna hang on her legs. I'll get her comfortable. Yeah. No, because if you push them, then me and Amy are going to be catching the baby, and we don't like to do that without a doctor in the room.
Yeah, especially first time.
Yeah.
Oh, the baby's crowning.
Yes.
She went fast.
She did. She went very fast.
We just prayed. We said we don't want 2 hours. Oh my God! God just answered.
You're not going to be pushing for 2 hours. I highly doubt you're going to be pushing for 10 minutes.
Oh my God! We just prayed.
Okay. Now the bottom of this bed's going to come off. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So you're not straining too much, but not. Yeah, I didn't too much. Just capable issue.
Yeah, they're up anymore. We're gonna like see.
I know, right?
I know, right? Gosh, I'm gonna miss this baby's delivery in the room. All right. Ready? Your baby basically here. Yeah. You do a touch. Yeah, of course. Oh wow. Oh, your epidural maybe took a little bit, but it's doing a really good job. Do you feel when you're getting your contractions? Yeah. Okay. You tell us if you feel it. Otherwise, it's not going to take much longer. This child is waiting just for me to drive my 20-minute drive. That I always question why I have had to drive after all these years.
So it's ready.
We're ready?
That's what dads do. Go girl.
Good job.
Actually, I'm going to come on this side.
Yep, right back at it. Lots of pressure, lots of pressure. Yep.
Compared to a minute ago, really done quite a bit of work there.
That just goes to show what you're doing here. Are you
Oh, she kicked in the face already. Beautiful girl. Tell us your story.
Oh, she's very happy.
She is wonderful. Yes. She just
I did say it, yeah. I couldn't see it first. How's the baby girl doing?
Yeah, do you want to cut the cord? I feel like it's like a small job.
Are we doing the delayed cord clamping? Or we did.
It's already been that, yeah. This is the clamp, so I'll get it ready. I don't think you're okay if we're gonna do this. It's supposed to be a good picture. There you go, right between, yeah. You can pull it afterwards, you as much as you want, but I don't.
Baby, talk to mama.
Once you decide to have a baby, you just get it done. Placenta is out.
Wow.
Blood pressures start turning the corner.
If
It's even anything. This child is
You okay, baby? You can cry though. Cry all you want. It's your first time. Talk to mom. That's okay.
Oh, sorry. No,
How
that's
you
fine.
doing?
Diva, she made us worry all night, and then she comes out looking like, oh, I was at home like you, and
Here, 10 little things.
somewhere around 4 hours.
The what? Blue?
Yeah, get the blood flow on the floor. It's a girl.
I was right.
Yeah, I was right. I dreamed about it.
Well, with the diva-like behavior, it makes sense.
See, her hands are blue actually.
Her hands okay color? Thank you. You guys know if her hands
Her hands are blue.
Usually it's a little bluish purple, but she actually
She's got good grip. I can't put it in there.
Yeah, so this might be bluish purple too. But that's totally normal. She looks super good. You have to put in that one.
You don't get to sleep. You've been up all night.
Don't worry.
Get
Yeah,
in
right.
one more time.
So November 30th?
Yeah, that's the, yeah, November 30th, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, November 30th.
36 weeks, 6 days.
You make me cry knowing all those things.
That's normal. Totally normal. Do you want her kind of like more on the
Is it,
side?
let them put him under the under the heat.
Oh, yeah, because of the blue
Skin to skin?
Yeah.
Just put her chest.
Okay.
So a little bit.
Yeah, let me grab her.
You're
Did you get a good look? Say hi.
Oh, wow. Hey, baby. Good morning.
I also want you to have some. I'll
You're gonna
airdrop
send
them
them, aren't you?
immediately.
Photographer's rights.
Right, photographer's right. Yay, I was like, Dad, get it. Cause I want to look up real quick and this is perfect. I love it.
Yeah. You out here. You in here.
Hello? What is that?
Like, what is
going
that?
on? Peace sign?
Please.
Hi.
I got a little video. I got, hi, Indy. Say hi to the world. Oh, there you go. So give me back to mom. I don't know. Yeah, I need to- Oh, wow.
Man, I'm sorry. I know.
Like, how could you do this to me?
Her crying is so small. Tiny little.
Length, because what do you think? Mm-hmm.
It's 20. 21 quarter. 17 spreading that leg
She's
out.
so long they had to open up the thing.
She does not want to spread.
She's just
What's
gonna go
up?
on.
Look at her. She's
Let's straighten that.
yes.
49 centimeters. So that is 19 and a half inches.
All right, little girl, you're gonna be so brave.
You're gonna do great. You're gonna do great.
Oh,
No,
done.
nothing.
It's done. You're okay. Wow. Look
See,
at that.
nothing even happened. Look at you.
Oh, you want to
You're
eat my
fine.
fingers?
She did so well with that.
Toughest girl in the
Oh my
world.
gosh, she did amazing.
She's like, no big deal.
She
No
was
big deal.
great.
She's so pretty. To see that day I see. Hey, Guinness World Record.
Number 3.
Indy. Indy.
Man, I look rough. I look very rough right now. It's been a rough few days. But we're finally getting to go home today. So hopefully the next few hours we discharge and go home and I can explain all the stuff that happened. And we got that one over there. But I was in this room for like I've been in this room for 48 hours. But I'm just so excited to leave and to go home. But I'll tell you the story of how we, the birth story and everything like that. It's been a whirlwind, like most things have been. But ultimately, I feel very lucky. How do you feel?
Feel good, actually. Surprised me. It was a pretty rough night with sleep the last couple nights, but surprisingly awake. Thanks to Rockstar, Pure Zero.
Rockstar doesn't pay us for advertisements, so there's your tray over there. But no, yours is on the table. Indy's going home. Let me see her. Indy goes home.
Otherwise, she's fine.
How do I zoom in? Oh, I think it's.
Sometimes we go out of focus. We're leaving.
Yep, we're leaving.
Since Tuesday. Indy goes home. Indy made it home. Welcome home, Indy.
Yay.